First of all, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. So today we all are gathered to do a group discussion on a topic importance of healthy diet. So today we all are going to share some point of views on a topic importance of healthy diet. So I am Samyak Jain.
I am Pallam Misra.
I am Harsh Bhargav.
I am Natik Agrawal.
I am Veer Jain. I am Manush Agrawal.
I am Harshit Yadav.
I am Vanshika. I am Vanshika Jain. I am Chanchal Rawat.
So today I am going to initiate this topic, importance of healthy diet. So as we know that healthy diet is very important. So first I want to tell you what is healthy diet. So healthy diet means the food we have to eat in which all the nutrients are present. Like we should eat healthy food, not the junk food, because as we know that junk food are tasty but they do not have nutrients. They do not provide proteins to our body, but the healthy food provide proteins to our body, and healthy food also maintain our body.
So healthy diet is very important in everyone's life. And eat the healthy diet, our brain work very fast. And eat and our and increase our stamina.
Yeah, I am fully agree with both of you. And healthy diet helps us to improve our health, and we should not eat junk food, because it don't help us in everything, but healthy food helps us in everything.
Healthy diet is very useful for our life, for our health, and healthy diet is decrease of fat.
We all know that health is our first priority, and every person want to be healthy. So health is our first priority, and on the and we always save to our health. The junk food are tasty, but the nutrients are not in junk food. But in healthy food there are many nutrients and many types of vitamin D and vitamin C, and like we eat orange and lemon, so we take from vitamin C.
Yes, I agree with you, but I want to tell about the meaning of healthy diet. Healthy diet means the proper diet and maintaining the diet. What we have to take in our diet and in our routine. Just like I think there are there are four times when we eat food: breakfast, meal, lunch, and dinner. So we have to maintain the quantity and the quality of the food as we are preferring, and but healthy diets need a proper diet that we can digest. Just like we have to include carbohydrate, fats, and proteins and vitamins in our diet, so our body will be fit and fine, and we will not be fatty.
A healthy lifestyle is a vital part of air life. So there are some there are so that we must live. Healthy food is important for our bodies. It helps us grow strong and stay well.
Healthy food is very important for our body. It helps us grow and stay strong. Healthy food, healthy food keep us body strong. Healthy food keep us grow and stay strong.
So I am agree with also as Manal said that health is our first priority. So he is right that health is our first priority. If our health is good, so we will be able to do anything, any type of work that we have to do in our daily life. Sometimes we get tired after doing something, and like we should have a proper diet, a healthy diet, which have all the nutrients and proteins. I know that junk food are tasty but not they do not have protein, and we can eat junk food in a month or a 2 or 3 weeks. So that's on. And like a healthy diet make us fit and healthy, and we will become active.
Healthy diet reduce the risk of diseases, and the digestive system also healthy, and make the bones strong, and the heart remains also healthy.
Yes, I am fully agree with all of you, and I want to say that we should take healthy food, but sometimes we take unhealthy food because if we have to eat unhealthy food, so we can eat one time in a month, and we should take a proper diet, and we should try to maintain our diet, and we should eat always healthy food.
Some people and some children are eats junk food, so it's harmful for our health. So we should always green vegetables and fruits.
Healthy diet is very important. By the help of healthy diet, we can become healthy, and and the meaning of healthy life is bit and good life.
Healthy diet, so it is a healthy diet when we always do something when we have healthy. So, and in sports, we always want health. We should always healthy because in sports, the running and kabaddis also are the game of strength, mindness, and many of others.
Yes, I agree with Manas that in sports it is very important to maintain a healthy diet because athletes and sportsmen needs immunity to play and to run also. So they have to maintain their proper diet, and it's but most of the people doesn't maintain their diet because they don't know what we have to consume in our diet and what we should not. So I think that in breakfast you have to take the light food just like sprouts and some grams, and in lunch you can take heavy lunch just like chapatis and vegetable, and in meal you can take any snacks like some dry fruits, etc. And in dinner the and from my perspective the dinner should be light, and so the digestive system of our body will be fine.
You should not eat and junk food, which is unhealthy lifestyle, and you should you should
Eating fruits and vegetable is good. They gives us vitamins and minerals.
Healthy food help us to daily activities. Vegetables and fruits have many minerals and protein. Junk food is bad for our body.
So as we are discussed about healthy diet, and healthy diet as already as everyone said that healthy diet provide us protein, nutrients, and many more things. But to make our body perfect, but not only we should have a healthy diet, but we should focus on extracurricular activities, like we should play outdoor and indoor games. Like in outdoor we can play football, cricket, and basketball and etc. In indoor, if we have to boost our mind, so we can play chess and many more games.
Yes, and I want to say that with the help of with the healthy diet, we should do yoga and exercise every day.